Hello guys, welcome to my channel with another new video. Friends, today I am coming a new jungle. See, there is a new jungle. Wow. Friends, I collect many colorful of toys in the jungle. I have a new bucket. See, I have a new big bucket. So friends, I collect many toys and fulfill my big bucket. So wasting any more time, let's go. Where is the toy? Wow, friends, I collect my first toys here. See, my first toys is big size beach bike. See, that is a nice color combination beach bike. Wow, this is very nice. This is full color is paste color and this body color is full paste, but this wheel is black and yellow color combination. See, this front side are pink color combination. Wow, this is very nice. So these big size toys I collect in my bucket. And next, wow friends, see, that is the next toy. Wow, that is the next toy. What is this? Wow, this is a police bike. Wow, this is a police bike with a police. See, this bike color is white and this police color is red color. Wow, this is a police. See, this is very nice. And this wheel color is red color and this silencer color is blue color. Wow, this is model. This is 2619 model police bike. So friends, I collect this in my bucket. Next. Wow. See, there is a Benton car. Wow, this is a Benton big car. This is very nice big car. This is famous car. Wow, this is a Benton sticker. Wow, this is Benton sticker. See, there is full color is green color. This is full green color and these glasses are black and this wheel are black and green also. So friends, I collect these big size toys in my pocket. And next. Wow, next. See, my next toy is big Beko. Wow, this is brake. Wow, this is brake. I fixed it. Wow, I fixed it. See, this is a very nice and big size Beko. This is red color, yellow color and black color combination. So friends, I collect this size Beko in my bucket. Wow, my bucket is fulfilled. And next, oh friends, see, there is a next toy. Wow, this is a ice cream trolley. Wow, this is an ice cream trolley, sweet candy trolley. See, this is very nice color combination. There is white color, yellow color, pink color, paste color, red color also. So friends, I collect this in my pocket. Wow. And next, wow friends, see, there is a next toy. Wow, there is a baby trolley, Diana baby doll trolley. Wow, this is very nice. See, there is a girl. This is white color and this dress color is yellow and this car color is yellow also. And this baby, wow, this baby color is pink. Wow, this is very funny. Baby color is pink. So I collect this in my pocket. Friends, and next toy. Next. Wow friends, see, there is a next toy in the tree. Wow, this is airport bus. See this airport bus? This is very nice color combination airport bus. Wow. Friends, this color is pink color and black color also. And this wheel is black and white color combination. So I collect this in my pocket. Wow. So friends, my basket is fulfilled with toys. See, there is a nice color combination basket. And these toys are also nice color combination. So my all toys are collected, and see you soon with next time with next video and many colorful of toys. So friends, I will ending my video.